Are you happy, Luna? Are you happy? Uh-oh. You stay away from that ant hill. That's fire ants. You don't want to get into the fire ants. Right there, big fire ant hill. You start digging around in that and those things will get all over you. I know they will. They will. You need to be careful over here, okay? Keep an eye out for critters. All right. Keeping an eye out for critters. You taking care of the baby chickies? You are? Okay, let's go check on the baby chickies. Those baby chickies aren't exactly babies anymore. Hey, baby chickies. Let me come through check on you. Oh, look at you. You coming to say hi? You are? Okay. Y'all coming to say hi? Yeah, baby chickies. Yeah, they love me because every time I walk up, I'm a source of food. But right now they're free roaming, so they got food everywhere. They don't need me to stick anything through the chicken wire to feed them. You can see over here the difference. I mean, look at that. That's where their little chicken run was. Joshua moved it back a little while ago and let them free roam. But you can tell what happens. What are you trying to do down there? Trying to get my foot? Yeah, they're loving running around out here. Ain't that right, little baby chickies? Let's go over here and check out the compost. Y'all going to go with me? Come on, you can go with me. There's some more back here. You're hiding? Oh, you're exploring. We got some chickies on the expedition. They're running around, checking out the place. And adding to the compost. Using lawnmower bagger and putting it in here. And then Joshua's been mixing it up. Look at those baby chickies all back here exploring. They're loving this. Woohoo! There you go. Look at you. They're just loving coming out here. And Luna's keeping an eye out on them. And Luna's really good with the chickies. Baby chickies are grown chickies, almost. They're not laying eggs yet, so they haven't totally grown up, but they will. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Getting in there, digging around in the leaves. What are y'all looking for? Y'all looking for earthworms, aren't you? Or anything else you can get. Yeah, those chickies. I'd go get earthworms and take them a little treat, so I'm sure they've probably found a few out here already. Yeah, they're really enjoying it. Fresh air and sunshine and exercise. And lots of good food. And before long they'll have all those leaves turned over and scratched around. There, right, baby chickie. Yeah. Tell you what, chickens are really funny. They're really funny. They do crazy stuff. This one I think really likes the compost pile. Smells like the inside of your chicken coop, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, you got chicken eggs. You found eggs down there, didn't you? Or eggshells. Yeah, I was down there picking at eggshells.